So we've gone through the box and now you know what this all contains and what you can expect from this build. Mainly a lot of parts, a lot of fun stuff to build and assemble, and a super cool display piece to be left with at the end. Now let's start with the main build itself. Now when going through the kit and also going through the instruction manual on the different packs, you quickly start to notice that it's not just about the main build of the Thunderbird 2, it also has a lot of detailed micro builds aside of it. Now this is one you mainly just start with the big build, then do a couple steps for some of these micro builds, and at the end of every pack you end up with a finished micro build and also a finished piece for the main build itself, to then move on to the next pack and start adding more and more pieces to the main builds and doing a couple more of these micro builds to fully detail it out and have a lot of awesome extras on the side. As the instructions of this kit perfectly explain which parts you need to glue, which parts you need to assemble, and which parts of course you need, and also the tools you will need to build them, I will not really be talking a lot about the build itself and mainly just be showing you how I assembled everything according to the instructions and just leaving a couple things out as they are maybe a bit repetitive, and that takes all the fun out of building it yourself. So if you want to explore more about the build and all the instructions and even a discount code if you are interested in buying one of these yourself, check out the link in the description below for more information. And with those two final pieces now all in place, that is it for the first pack. I will be doing more videos on the rest of the packs, but just assembling it all together in shorter videos to show you how I did it, and also to give you a sneak peek of what you can expect when you're building it yourself.